Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. How are you? I am Kashif Ali. I am your teacher. Now today I will teach you how to make a whiteboard animation video. I will use video scribe software because it is easy and easily to find its crack. You can easily find its crack version. If you don't find, then please tell me. I will give you the crack version of the video scribe. Now I have entered my email and password, and I will go to the login. After some second it will logged in. You can see that this is the first interface of the video scribe software, and you can see this is very important section, templates, scribes. If you don't know how to make a video on video scribe, then don't worry, it is very easily. This is the ready-made templates of the video scribe of different topics. You can choose any topic from here and make a video, and just change the title. And if you like this template, then click here. Actually I will not click on the template because it will take a long time to download. Then you can work on it, but I have downloaded templates from here. Our today's lesson, I will click on the create a new scribe button in this software, and you can see that this is the layout of the software. This is very easy software. You can see that if you want to add pictures, you can click here. If you want to add text, then click here. If you want to add music, then click here. If you want to add voiceover, click here. And brush and hand, this scribe hand, and this is the play button, and this is the timeline of the software. For example, if you want to add a picture, then I will select the picture from here. This is the different topics of pictures. You can search every topic of pictures from here, or if you don't find any picture according to your topic, then you can upload your pictures, import pictures. This is the formats of the picture: SVG, GF, PNG, JPG, or zip file. You can upload these types of pictures, these format types of pictures. And I will click this picture, and you can see that this is the teddy bear, and I want to add text. Then I will click here. I will type, "Hi dears, welcome," and you can select different type of fonts. And if you want to manage font, then if you want to upload fonts, then you can click here and you can upload any type of font. You can upload different types of fonts from here. Okay, this is the first of all, I will suggest you please choose a handmade font. This is the handmade look like font. I will type "Hi dears, welcome," and I will click on the OK button. And if I hold the shift key, or without shift key, you can easily zoom in or zoom out. Okay, and I will click here and here, and I will click on the camera position. This one. This is the very important part, to select a camera position. I will play. You can see that this is the camera position. If I select like this, and I will hold Control key and I will select the text, and this cartoon character, I will set the camera position. Okay, I will play. You can see that it is typing very small character. Now second is the important thing. I will click on this slide and I will click here, and you can see that animation, it will draw in 8 seconds. Or if you don't want to pause, then select 0, and transition if you want to end transition. I don't like transition, and select only 3 to 5 second animation. This is a very important. Select animation 2 to 5 seconds only animation, and it will draw the animation. And I will select and I will change 3 seconds 0 0 and OK. I will select here, I will play. You can see that it will draw in 3 seconds and it will draw in also 3 seconds. And if you want to add more slides, then you can click here. I will select this picture, I will select the text and I will type greetings, nice to meet you. If you want to change color, you can also change color. OK. And you can adjust text. I will select the text, I will hold the control button and I will select this, and now I will select the camera position. If you want to add this and add this position, first of all I will tell you that the mouse scroll button, you can zoom in or zoom out. I will select this position and I will select the camera position. Now I will play. I will select the slide, I will play. You can see that it is typing on the whiteboard, it is drawing on the whiteboard. Even you can change the speed, you can add more pictures or add animations. Today I am telling you the basics of the whiteboard animation video. Now I will click again. I will upload the picture. I will draw and I will upload. I will upload this picture. This is the JPG format picture. Now wait a few seconds, it will upload a picture. I will set this position and I will select the camera and I will play. You can see that this is drawing picture here. Okay. If you want to add, if you want to zoom in to draw, I will scroll up and I will select the picture and I will set the camera, and now I will play. You can see that it is drawing big size of picture. Okay. Now you can add sound effects. This is the sound library. If you don't like this sound, you can upload sound from here. Downloads. I think I have projects. Even though you can choose any type of sound from your computer. Now this was the basics of the whiteboard animation. I will click here. I will click on the animation, and you can choose. This is the hand drawn option. You can choose every type of hand, or if you don't want to add hand, then click here. It will automatically draw this picture, and you can choose any graphic filters like blur effect, glow effect, brightness, saturation, contrast, and other effects. And you can upload image from here. I have told you. And you can set the animation and pause and transition effects. I will click OK. Now you can see that it is automatically drawing picture without a hand. Okay, if you want to finalize this video, then please first of all save this project, and I will go to type ABC. Okay, I will click here, and I will click here download video, and this is the name of the format of the video, WMV format, and this is the 720 HD high definition size, and this is the frame rate 30. You can choose 20 or 25, and this is the location of the video. You can set location. Click here, and I will select on the desktop and select folder, desktop ABC file. Okay, I will, after a few minutes it will finalize the video, so please wait. Now this is the very simple process to draw whiteboard animation. I will go to the back. I will select any template, teacher intro, for example teacher intro. I will click on the teacher intro, and after a few seconds templates will open. You can set it and modify and change name and everything from this template. If you draw your own design, then it will take a long time to create a story with pictures, but this is a very easy to select a template and click and modify according to your requirement. I will click on the slide button. You can change I will double click on this title and edit text, and I will change class type, teachers computer skills. Okay, I will zoom out, and you can see this is a very easy. You can change the text or pictures or anything else. If you don't want to add, then you can select these pictures. Now this is the very easy way. Select a template and click and modify. Now I will finalize this video. I will click here, and I will click on the download video button. Okay, I hope you will like this video very much. Please like, comment and share button on the YouTube. Thanks for watching. So see you next time with a very advanced skills in the whiteboard animation. So if you like this video, then please like the button. It will motivate me that you are liking. If you face any problem, then please comment on the YouTube. I will read the comment. I will try to solve the comment. I will, if you have any problem, then please tell me. So see you next time. Allah Hafiz.